Hello everybody, Steven Jonder here from Better Podcasting and from Gonna Geek, here with another unboxing. This time it is the Zoom LiveTrak L-8. Let's have a look here. If we look at the sides, pretty standard Zoom boxes, no real surprises here. You've got on the back the information or the picture with the serial. You've also got here, again, not much on the back. There is all of the information. So hold that there. So if you want, you can pause, hopefully, and read it. But let's go ahead and just get into it right now. So starting here, looks like, yeah, it's going to open from the top. So let's just put that down, open up. And right away, we've got the adapter and some instructions. So let's start off with the instructions. We have just regular how-to information, as well as other safety precautions, quick overview. I always find the PDF a little bit better. We'll put that off on the side. Here we have the adapter. This is the AD17AD adapter. So it looks like it is a power adapter with a USB. Yep, little USB. And again, if you want to go ahead and try to read that, you can go ahead and try to read that if you're looking for the specifications there. Put this off to the side. What do we got under here? Under here, looks like we have a 3.5 to 3.5 TR. What is that? That's the TRRS, I believe it is. So you've got the the 3 rings. And that's going to be for like phones. You have a stereo sound for the output from the phone, and then the third ring is for the microphone. Then you have a USB cable. Looks like it's going to use micro USB. Let's have a look. Is there anything else here before we take this off? Nope. Looks like this part next is going to somehow open up. There it is. And see if I can get this out here, working with small spaces. All right, let me try to move this box out of the way. Put that down, just carefully without knocking the camera too much. Move the box out of the way, working in small quarters here. All right. Then here's the actual unit. Try to get this taken out. And looks like there it is. That is the Zoom LiveTrak L-8. So you can see, I'll hold it so you can get a good visual on that. And again, if you want to pause, go ahead and pause. I'll hold this up. So if you want to take a closer look, you can take a closer look at that. This is just an unboxing, so it's not going to get plugged in or anything. And then on the back, that's what you've got here. So your power and the SD. So a lot less on the back compared to the L12. The L12 is my current daily driver. And yeah, a lot less on the back. But this is a little bit different of a unit than the L12. It's a little bit less inputs, but also has a couple added features here that maybe I'll talk about in the future. But there you go. That's the unboxing for the Zoom LiveTrak L-8. I'll put that down. You've got that. You have the USB cable. You have the TRRS, as well as a little power adapter. I can't wait to test this out and see how it all works.